Hello dear friends, welcome to our channel Thomberley Culture Fusion. Anything can happen in our life. As we welcomed New Year in Pond the Patroli Bridge with light, with enjoyment, with happiness, all people together welcome the New Year or the Christmas. Badalona, the Pond the Patroli. What happened? After 20 days, just 2 days of rain and the natural calamities, the bridge is broken and distracted or destroyed by the heavy waves. Badalona, not only Badalona, entire Catalunya coastal areas, GIRONA, NURIA, and different places, many lives have taken by this distraction. Still, people are suffering. Never we can compare with the situation in Kerala, of course. It's a new experience for the people in Catalunya and Spain. What happened? Now, let's consider our own life. Me and you and me. Anything can happen in our life. But the government has simply ordered, with more power, it will be closed for 9 months for bringing up. With more power and for the people. A fall is not forever. Let us try to understand in our personal life. We also may be having some kinds of faults. Let us stand up with strong faith and strong convictions. So my dear friends, this episode I just showing this destruction caused by the sea or the nature is not simply to the nature, to each one of us. Thank you.